Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Around the World. The topic we will discuss today is some information about computers. So without wasting time, we're going to start our today's video. The word computer has been derived from which of the following languages? A. Spanish, B. Sanskrit, C. Latin and D. English, and the correct answer is option C. Latin. Which of the following is known as father of computer? A. John Newman, B. Alan Turing, C. Napier and D. Charles Babbage, and the correct answer is option D. Charles Babbage. Who is known as the father of the modern computer? A. John Newman, B. Alan Turing, C. Charles Babbage and D. Napier, and the correct answer is option B. Alan Turing. Dash was the world's first supercomputer? A. Param, B. Siddharth, C. C-Ray 1 and D. Cat-R, and the correct answer is option C. C-Ray 1. Who invented compact disc? A. James T. Russell, B. Joseph Newman, C. Robert Russell and D. J.N. Kilby, and the correct answer is option A. James T. Russell. This was the India's first supercomputer? A. Param, B. Siddharth, C. C-Ray 1 and D. Cat-R, and the correct answer is option A. Param. Dash was the world's first supercomputer? A. Param Kanchenjunga, B. Tianhe 2, C. C-Ray 7 and D. EDSAC 2, and the correct answer is option B. Tianhe 2. Which day is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day? A. 2nd January, B. 2nd September, C. 2nd April and D. 2nd December, and the correct answer is option D. 2nd of December. Name the first computer which provides storage. A. EDSAC, B. EDVAC, C. JSPC and D. Mark I, and the correct answer is option A. EDSAC. World first microprocessor is A. Intel Core, B. Intel 4004, C. Intel Core 2 and D. Intel X, and the correct answer is option B. Intel 4004. 1 terabyte is equal to A. 1028 GB, B. 1040 GB, C. 1000 GB and D. 1024 GB, and the correct answer is option D. 1024 GB. Name the first general purpose electronic computer. A. UA2, B. Mark I, C. EDSAC and D. UNIVAC, and the correct answer is option D. UNIVAC. Name the first electronic digital computer. A. UA2, B. Mark I, C. ADSAC and D. ENIAC, and the correct answer is option D. ENIAC. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as A. Uniprocessor, B. Multiprocessor, C. Combined processor and D. Multiprogramming processor, and the correct answer is option B. Multiprocessor. Name the latest machine in the series of Param made by NIT Sikkim. A. Param Kanchan, B. Param UA2, C. Param Kanchenjunga and D. Param Mark I, and the correct answer is option C. Param Kanchenjunga. Full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator, B. Uniform Resource Link, C. Uniform Register Link and D. Uniform Response Locator, and the correct answer is option A. Uniform Resource Locator. Who designed the first electronic digital computer? A. Presper Eckert, B. J.S. Kilby, C. John Mauchly and D. Joseph von Mauchly, and the correct answer is option A. Presper Eckert. Punch cards were first introduced by A. K. Herman Watling, B. Herman Hollerith, C. Herman Cavan and D. Joseph Robert Noisy, and the correct answer is option B. Herman Hollerith. Desk printer cannot print more than one character at a time. A. Dot matrix printer, B. Line printer, C. Laser printer and D. non-inkjet printer, and the correct answer is option A. Dot matrix printer. Frequently accessed information is held in A. read-only memory, B. flash memory, C. chase memory and D. hard drive, and the correct answer is option C. chase memory. Line printer speed is specified in terms of A. lines per minute, B. characters per minute, C. paragraphs per minute and D. pages per minute, and the correct answer is option B. characters per minute. Laptop computer is also known as A. tablet PC, B. personal computer, C. notebook computer and D. handheld computer, and the correct answer is option D. handheld computer. Which computer is used for computer aided design calculation? A. hybrid computer, B. Microcomputer, C. Mini computer, and D. Mainframe computer. And the correct answer is option C. Mini computer. Who invented the first microprocessor? A. Ted Hopp, B. Terence Huffman, C. Vinit Arstup, and D. Robert Raman. And the correct answer is option A. Ted Hopp. CPU stands for A. Central Processing Unit, B. Central Protecting Unit, C. Computer Processing Unit, D. Computer Protection Unit. And the correct answer is option A. Central Processing Unit. A barcode reader is an example of A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Storage device, and D. Processing device. And the correct answer is option A. Input device. Dash can interpret voice data into words that can be understood by the computer. A. Talking software, B. Speech input hardware, C. Translate recognition software, and D. Speech recognition software. And the correct answer is option D. Speech recognition software. PCB stand for A. Personal circuit board, B. Personal computer board, C. Printed circuit board, and D. Printed computer board. And the correct answer is option C. Printed circuit board. The third generation computer were made with A. Integrated circuit, B. Vacuum tube, C. Biochips, and D. Microprocessor. And the correct answer is option A. Integrated circuit. Where does computer edit and compare data? A. Hard disk, B. Floppy disk, C. Memory chip, and D. CPU chip. And the correct answer is option D. CPU chip. The dash is responsible for decision making mechanism. A. CPU, B. ALU, C. CU, and D. MU. And the correct answer is option B. ALU. What does ALU in computing denote? A. Application and logic unit, B. Arithmetic and logic unit, C. Arithmetic logic unit, and D. Arithmetic legal unit. And the correct answer is option C. Arithmetic logic unit. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel Around the World.